So this is the website that I have created without actually no previous experience, without any technical knowledge, without any idea of coding. And I want to present this website for you. So this is a website for an interior design company, which is called Royal Design. And this is the front page. So interiors inspired by royal lifestyle. This is like the motto of this website. These are the reflections of the works that were created by this interior design studio, and you see that presented here. What we have on the next page, this is the service that is provided by this company. So individual selection of furniture, color consultation, selecting of lighting decisions, and individual interior design of your space, and consultation on planning and zoning, because sometimes people don't want entire interior design, they want just a consultation on planning of the space or planning of their apartment or house. So next page is create your dream space. And this is how to say some short introduction about the company. And these are testimonials of home or apartment. And transform your space with Royal Design Consulting Agency. So all these things. So also this is an introduction of styles in which the company mainly works. So high-tech style, modern loft style, tropical style, French chic style, Arabic chic style, Italian style. And again, there are some testimonials of customers. Transform your space with us today. There is an address, and if you click this button, you will get the telephone number, and you can also email the company. And all this was created approximately in 1 day with a person with no technical knowledge and no like coding knowledge and no background, just from scratch within 1 day. So how I was able to do it and how I did it. So probably you have paid attention that this app is called Durable AI, and here I put a preview section. So if we go here, we can actually go to the construction page of this website. And what you can do here, so this all images, the text, everything was chosen by me. But at first it was, how to say, offered by this very intelligent AI constructing web page. So let's have a look. So for example, you have this title, you want to change it. So here you are just pressing it. You can change the tagline. You can change the headline. You can change the head text. You can also change the image if you want. So this is how you can do it. So then you can say done. So these are images. Let's imagine that you want to change some of them. You want to change the picture. So you are pressing it, and you can replace. So you can press this button, replace. So you can go to Unsplash and find images there. Or you can also go to our library, the library that you have created. Then you need to go to the library, and these are images that were downloaded by me previously. So you see there are many pictures of various designs that I have uploaded here, and I can choose any of them. Let's say I like this one, so just insert, and then it is replaced. Maybe I don't like it, so I can just discard, and discard, and it doesn't change here anything. And I can do the same with any picture. Our service includes, so for example, individual selection of furniture, color consultation, selection of lighting decisions. Let's say you want to change something. Again, you are pressing it, and you can write here individual selection of furniture, for example, and drugs. So here you are. It's not a problem. So that's it, done. Then it's very important to press save. Otherwise, it will not be saved. You cannot. Sometimes you can forget and just press the button done, which is not enough. You must always press the button save. So this is the woman. Again, if you want, you can change an image of this woman. So all of these things are up to you. You can change the text again. So if you want, you can, for example, regenerate. It will generate the text even by itself. And done and save. So here you are. So you don't even, what is the most important for you? You have to give the headline, the tagline, the heading must be given by you. But the text, can be regenerated. You can write it by yourself, or it can be offered by this platform itself. So add section. Let's say that you want to add section. You can, for example, add, right now it's very popular in websites, people usually have video, so video content. Okay, so let's see what we get. I think that you have to download, give a video link. Actually, I don't have any video link. That's why I cannot add here anything. So we can actually delete this section. But what I want to say, like when you add section, what you can add. So pay attention, services, context, image gallery. So we had looked at image gallery. We have looked at service. Then map location. You can also put it, schedule, testimonial. So I have even put it 2 times. Yeah. So you see that this is how it's all generated. This is also information about these services. And again, we have testimonials from our happy customers. So again, you can make the size of these pictures by yourself how you want. So what styles do we work with? So you can see high-tech style, modern love style, tropical style, Italian style, Arabic chic, and French chic style. And about us, and this is information, and here if you press it there must be phone now. I just deleted it, but there must be phone number, there must be maybe your Instagram account, maybe your YouTube channel account. So whatever you want, you can how to say, download it. And I think that this is very user friendly, very comfortable, very the best platform you can ever find if you are a total beginner in website creation. Now let me also speak about the pricing. Probably it's interesting. So durable AI. For a starter, you can, this is yearly billing, so $12, $20, or $80 for starter, for business, and for a big company. Or you can also go with monthly billing, so $15. I think it's quite good and fair price. For business, $25 and $95. So if it's your first business or if you are a student, so I think it's a wonderful opportunity to create a website with this plan. And also what I want to say, sometimes you will see in some videos that you can create a website within 10 minutes or something like that. It's not true. If you want to have more or less good website, more or less attractive website, you need to think, I think that you have to allocate 3-4 hours for that, maybe even 1 day. And also my suggestion to take another day, so 2 days, and next day you have to look at your website with fresh eye before publishing it. But again, whenever you publish it, so let's say 2-3 weeks passed and you understood that some information is missing, or something can be presented in better way, you just can again enter and make any changes that you want. So, and again, you can go this so preview. So this is how customers will view your website, and this is how you yourself can look at your website and make any changes there. So how you can sign it, you generally sign it with your Google account. This is not difficult, so it's quite easy process. And thanks for watching this video. I hope it was useful.